morning, students. Now we are going to see about the statement problems on integers using all fundamental operations. Okay, so what they mentioned, the statement problems means words problems. Okay, so by using the fundamental operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In previous exercise we are learned about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So all the operation, these are the operations. So all the operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So collaboration of these four we are going to see about the words problem. Okay, so we can move to the first sum. The first sum is nothing but what they given, one night in Kashmir. One night in Kashmir, the temperature is a -5 degrees Celsius. Okay, the place of the temperature in Kashmir, we are having a negative temperature one night. The next day you have a temperature 9 degrees Celsius. So what is the increase in temperature? So what is the difference between these two temperature? How it is increased? What is the increase in temperature? Okay, first of all you should know, today's session we are going to see about fundamental operation or by using the statement. So this is a statement. By using this, what are the operations we are using? So fundamental operation means you should know fundamental operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication. This is a symbolic representation. Okay, I don't want to waste my time, that's why I'm writing like this. So in the sum what they mention, one night in Kashmir. Okay, you stay at one night. Okay, so on that night you are having a temperature is minus degrees Celsius. So first day, so that is your first day, right? The first day, the temperature, what's the temperature in Kashmir? So we are having a temperature negative -5 degrees Celsius. First you written you are given. Okay, then move to the steps. Then the next day you have a temperature 9 degrees Celsius. Next day the temperature is, next day you have a temperature is positive 99 degrees Celsius. What is the increase in temperature? Okay, so if you are having an increasing in temperature, right, for using the number line, for example, I am writing for your understanding convenient, I am writing. So normally you are writing a number line, neutral is 0, then you are having -1, -2, -3, -4, -2, 5, up to this you have negative sign. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You don't want to draw this, or just for understanding I am writing. Okay, so you are staying, first day you are standing in this place, -5 degrees Celsius. So next day you have a temperature 9 degrees Celsius. This is a difference, right? So what they are asking, increasing temperature. So you are having a -5 to increase to the +9. So what is this difference? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In a number line you got that, right? So the same process. What is the difference they are asking? What is the increasing temperature? So increasing temperature is I'm going to reach 9. Okay, how can I reach? So minus of this -5. Okay, so 9 minus into minus plus 5. So adding this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are having positive 14. So what is the possibility you are going to reach? 14 steps to move to this degree. There is nothing but 14 degree Celsius. Now very clear. If you born year is 2000 means, if you are having a 2020 means, how we are doing? The greatest year minus your lowest year, right? The same process. So your greatest, the next day. So in this present year you are having a 9 degree Celsius. The before year, what is your temperature? -5. That's why I am writing +9 minus of -5. Okay, don't confuse about this. So now we are going to see about the second sum. What they given? An atom can contain protons which have the positive charge. So protons is a positive number. Then the electrons which have a negative charge. So electron is a negative number. What an electron and proton pair up, they become neutral. So if you are adding this, if you are gathering this, adding this, you are getting 0. Okay. Cancel the charge out. Now determine the net charge. Okay. So they given the some charges. You determine. You find out the answers. The first one they given 5 electrons and 3 protons. Okay. We can directly move to this sum. The second sum, what they given? Atom contain. What they mentioned, the major point is a protons which have a positive. So that is nothing but positive number. Electrons which have a negative number. Negative. Okay. So if you're writing, so what they mention, then electron and proton. When an electron, a proton pair up, that's nothing but neutral. Neutral means 0. I already told you in the number line we are having a neutral is a 0. Okay, I have taken the first question. What they given? 5 electron and 3 protons. So how can we write? So we already know proton which have a positive number, electron which have a negative number. When electron and proton pair up, you are getting a neutral. Okay, if you are having an equal balance, you are getting a neutral. For example, they are giving a 5 electron. That means electron means what? Negative number. So -5. So proton means positive number. Then +3. If you are subtracting 5 minus 3 means 2. Which is the greatest number? 5 is the greatest. Whose symbol is a negative. So -2. That's when they given. That is 2 electron. In a science you already draw electron is like this. Okay, the electron is positive, negative. Proton means you can draw like this. Proton means positive sign, electron means negative sign, neutral means normal, 0. Okay. So in the second question, what they given? I am having a 6 protons and 6 electrons. So I am having an equal. Okay. So if I am having a 6 electrons and 6. So proton I am having 6 means positive 6. If I am having 6 electron means -6. 6 minus 6 same number means it becomes 0. That is 0 is your, we already know, right? Neutral. 0 is a neutral. Then in third, what they given, 9 proton and 12 electron. So 9 means positive proton. So 9. So positive minus 12. So 12 minus 9, we know 3, which is the greatest symbol, 12. So I can represent in negative. That is 3 electrons. 1, 2, that is representing negative. So 1, 2, 3 electrons. Okay, you don't mention minus 3 electron. Okay, just you are writing 3 electrons, that is enough in this place. So balanced 4th and 5th sum you have a homework. Okay, then in the third sum, what they are asking, scientists use the Kelvin scale K as an alternative temperature scale to the degree Celsius. Okay, we already know the temperature should be in a normally we are taking by using the Celsius. Okay, by relation you are going to convert into the Kelvin scale. You are going to convert into scientifically. You are going to convert in the scale. We are having that much of the scale, that specialist scale in a science. So temperature equal to the temperature plus 273. If you are adding plus the temperature plus 273 means that becomes a Kelvin. Okay, we already know, right? What do you know? We already learned about your grams, right? So 1 gram equal to 1000 kilogram. You already learned, right? 1 gram equal to 1000 kilogram, correct? So we already learned about like this, right? Same. If I am adding a temperature like this means I am adding 273. I am getting a Kelvin. That's what. Okay. So convert the following to Kelvin. So they already given these are your Celsius. So I am going to convert that. Okay. So the third one, I am directly writing the answer. So you should write the question and answer. Convert the following into Kelvin. So what is the temperature? T plus 273. If I am adding Celsius plus 273 means that become a Kelvin. So I am having first question 27 minus 12 degrees Celsius. Okay. So I am having temperature is minus 275 degrees Celsius equal to T value I know this only minus 275. Don't put this because you are going to convert Kelvin. Okay, so don't put degree. Plus 273 to K. So if I am adding this 275, 273, 5 minus 2, 2, 0, 0. So having a 2. Which one is the biggest? 275 is the biggest. So minus 2 Kelvin. Okay, if you are having this much of temperature means you are having a minus 2 Kelvin. Okay, then the same process in your next second subdivision. So that is you have 45 degrees Celsius. We already know the formula T degree C equal to T plus 273 Kelvin, right? So what is your T? 45 degrees Celsius equal to 45 plus 273 into K. So 273, 45. So ones is add to ones, tens is add to tens. So 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 7, 11, balance 1, 1 plus 2, 3. So I am having positive 318k because both the values are positive. Okay. So the balance, third and fourth is your homework as it is your first sum. Okay, we are having a minus 400. So minus 400 plus 273. Add, subtract and give that bigger number sign and put that value. Okay, thank you.